look at this. So let's dissect this design. That's kind of the idea. The body, I made a tutorial. If you don't know what I'm saying, check it out. The tutorial, it's already right next to this one. So this is the idea for the head, okay? The head, it's a 11-inch round wide, and I underinflated to 8 inches approximately. So that way, because it's a round balloon, it's not a quick link, I add 2 racing beans, one inside to attach it on the top, and the other one, and this is something I want you to pay attention. So that means I'm gonna have to turn this light. I have a light here with me, but it's not gonna work, so I had to turn it off. Maybe my lighting from my other lamp will help. Okay, and also my other balloon, because I'm gonna show you 2 balloons I have here with me, really cool. And it's kind of the same idea, how to attach hair in a very cool way that I'm not sure if someone else have shown you this, but it's something I do and it works great. So what I did for this, it's kind of like a clown girl. That was kind of my intention, okay? It can be cool for an harlequin body, but the head, I'm not using glue dots for the head, only for the nose, okay? The nose is a pinch twist red to 60 and just glue dots to make things easy. Sharpie time, I'm not that good, but I make something simple because in clowns, why not something like this? It's cool. I didn't use any, Google clip art picture. I just, whatever came out of my mind. I can attach it ears, but I'm not going to. So the first thing I did is 260 pink, and it's for this part. This part, just going up and down, and the pinch twist, you see that white balloon scrap? Yeah, there's when I attach the second second racing bean, and from the outside. So it's there. I'm gonna keep it this way so you see it's right there, the racing bean, and I attach it. Then that is kind of create the idea for what is thing 1, thing 2. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my tutorials from thing 1, thing 2. Then things can go from one side to the other. For example, the blue, it's one, like 3-finger bubble, twisted, 3-finger bubble, twisted, 3-finger bubble, twisted. So it's a lot of petals, like 3-finger bubble, 3 bubbles, each petal. And then 1 balloon to 60 there, blue, and then attach it, another 1 balloon to 60, blue. Then 1 to 60 yellow curly, split it in half, and attach it with any scrap that goes all the way to the other side, and attach another balloon to 60 yellow spiral. So you have to make the spirals and twist it in half. Then another spiral to 60, split it in half for the 260 pink, just on top to make more, more hair. So that's kind of the head. I hope you like it. It's just dissecting. Again, Sharpie time. What I did, I always start with black, and I went with the circle, pew, 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 and then poop, eyelashes. The same here, circle, and then pew, and eyelashes. Then eyebrows, and a smiley face. Then I used red, and I went all around to make more. And with the eyes, I did green to make it with green eyes, and outside orange just to make it colorful. And then here is pink, like a little more colors. Why not? So that is my simple Sharpie time. Okay, now let's go for the next design, okay? The next design is something I want to make in a tutorial, but the thing is, I don't have much time, and in order to wait, let's see. In order for this girl, princess, to wait, the thing is I only have a cell phone, and I'm making the videos with my cell phone. And when I'm downloading and editing, I cannot make another video. And while the video from the tutorial of the clown, it's on process, I cannot do anything with my cell phone. And that's, another limitations I have, because I'm not using a computer or not a camera. So while I was doing that, like waiting for the whole processing of the editing, I was making that princess. because it's a princess. And there's something really cool I want to share with you. Look at this cool crown. What is Chrome 260? Only one, and a Chrome 260 silver and a Chrome 260 gold. Just 2 balloons for this awesome crown. And this is something I could share with you because it's something easy and practical, and you can put it on top of any of your balloon dolls and it can look like a princess. Chrome always helps. Again, stickers, why not? Dollar store have a lot of these, you know, stickers, and you can use it to make your design even much better. Sharpie time. Okay. This type of dress is another cool thing to share. It's just this girl. It's okay. Let's see if I can move the clown. Like, the thing is, she have long hair and crazy hair in the back. And let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. The balloon room, it's with lots of things right now. Let's see if she can stay. Oh, okay. Maybe something that holds my balloon will be great. But I want to keep it in one position so then we can study. And let's do this. Look at this cool way to make a dress. What I'm doing for this type of dresses, it's really cool. I like it. I made it before. I showed you before, but not in a tutorial. That's what I'm going to do, a tutorial. All those balloons in the pink here that I'm pointing are 11-inch round pink. And this is also part of the 11-inch round. So then I went with a quick link yellow to make this faster, and then 350 for the arms, pink. The head is the same style idea, 11-inch round blush. This time I put glue dots for the nose and glue dots for the ears this time. The hair is the same idea. I go from one racing bean from the top and all the way, not to the nozzle of the blush, all the way with a pinch to with a racing bean, and I attach in the back. We're gonna check up quickly Sharpie time. Again, this is a Sharpie time. What I do is I go with the black, the circle black. Then I go from here, eyelashes, and the same the other side. Then I go with blue, and then white, and then I color white inside. And brown eyebrows, cheeks. Look at the lips. What I do is I first start with this part, and then a little bit like going to the sides, and then down a little bit. It's a small mouth, which I think is cute. And then chrome, of course, to make things better. Now let's go to the back. Let's do this. Whee! Okay, so we can start in the back. The back, it's 2 balloons, 260 spiral, twisted in half, and then attach it to where you see that in the front, this part, oh man, this and this bubble, these two, it's just you grab like 4-finger bubble, twist in half, 4-finger bubbles, twist in half, and then it have a long tip. That long tip is gonna be connected all the way here, and then here also you're gonna have a moment to attach these all curly balloons. This hair goes all the way to there. That little bubble is in behind. There's a racing bean. So the racing bean, that's the trick. So then your heads, when you have the nozzle of the blush 11-inch round, it's goes straight down, and I think make things more stable. That's my opinion. That's what I'm experimenting, and I like it. So this is the design. I hope you like it. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. The clown, or those are the special balloon figurines I'm gonna surprise the birthday girl tomorrow. This is the hat I'm gonna be wearing. Yeah, and the hat also I explained about it in my last video too. So there we go. I hope you like it. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.